Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach.
Long time no see, game. Allaqtinna qiavuqaast. Qistarteriarlugu spilleq.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Fazbear Entertainment would like you to put your hands together for the one, the only, Freddy Fazbear.
No. Begin the game.
Showtime already? I am experiencing a malfunction. The recharge cycle is not complete.
Shh! Will you shut up?
Who said that?
I did! And down here.
Down where? I still do not see you.
Okay, listen. You were sleeping, so I opened the stomach hatch and climbed inside.
My stomach hatch? That place is reserved for oversized birthday cakes and piñatas. It is not a safe play area. There you are. Scanning complete. How odd. Your guest profile is unknown to me. Who are you?
I'm Gregory.
Gregory. I will notify the main office. Oh, connection error. I cannot connect to the main network.
It's her. She cut you off. She's not going to let you call for help until she finds me.
Who? Who is looking for you? Your mother?
Shh! I hear footsteps!
That is the security guard. She can help.
No, I don't trust her.
Why not?
I don't know who she is, but she's trying to get me. Isn't there some other way for you to communicate with me besides talking so loudly?
Take this. It is a novelty Freddy Fazwatch.
Sinanga ona. Panoorin di siya Namin second please.
What was that?
I am sending you an encoded message.
Yeah. Adios. Small.
Hello, Gregory. It is me, Freddy. I will escort you to the main entrance. However, I am unable to leave this room. You should have no problem. There is a button on the wall that will open the door to the back room. I will make it accessible to you now.
This is better now. Mission. Okay. 나만으로 낚시.
Well done, Gregory. There is an open-air vent inside the maintenance room. You will have to climb through the ventilation system and release me from the outside.
Outside. Okay. I will play here. Good. 말미야시 어떤 거? 나. 이 박사학술 땡겼어 시작고.
Your performance was perfect tonight. Thank you. Your hair is beautiful. Your tail is beautiful. Everyone was watching you. Everyone loves you. Everyone wants to be you. You are the best. Thank you. I am the best. I am the best.
ไม่ใช่ในปีไม่นั่งปัดจำมันต้องปักส่วนนอนสกปรกเป็นเรื่องชิคกี้จ่าเลย
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Freddy and the gang are pretty tired, but they'll be back again next week after a few days of scheduled maintenance. Please make your way to the front of the building, where you will be given novelty glasses, a voucher for one free soda refill, and where you will sign a legal disclaimer releasing us of all liability for anything that might have happened during your visit. Have an awesome night, and we'll see you again soon.
Rosin, never mind. Ready.
The stupid door won't open.
Oh, you are going to need a photo pass to open the door. Apologies, I assumed you had one already. Well, you should be able to find one at a convenience counter.
Hold the pass. Loading. The Daxius and Notoyo show. For the best. We are one for the best. Good job.
Good job. Now, please come let me out.
Good job, Freddy.
Way to go, superstar! I knew you could do it. I know how to get you out of here. Climb back into my chest cavity. There is still time, but we must hurry. If I am spotted, I will certainly be taken back to my room. I will escort you to the main exit through the utility tunnels. It is the safest path.
Okay, but you better be careful moving around. I don't want to be crushed and twisted into a meat pretzel.
Okay. Hey, come in. Salamat talking in also, come in. иллерникууара унгасилаарторами киллинникуалаорпоо массаккуали стаартерникууллу яама туписоқарникуу Spider-Man.
Hello, little boy. If you're down here, say something.
She's down here. We have to go back.
Do not worry, Gregory. Even if we are spotted, you are safe with me. She would never suspect we are traveling together. However, we should still do our best to avoid her. If I am sent back to my room, we will never get to the lobby before midnight.
Okay.
I feel you are broken.
Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
No, I feel that something is wrong. I am taking you to the first aid station.
There's no time. I'm fine.
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Officer Vanessa, I do not know how I got here.
Well, you totally blew it tonight, you know. Your system crashed and you ruined the show. Now, parts and services have you on reduced power. They said as a safety precaution. Just one more thing to deal with.
I apologize.
Okay. Look, we're like 15 minutes from closing and some kid is sneaking around backstage. If you see anything, notify me immediately. I already alerted the others. Now, go back to your room.
알았으리 꿀.
I told you she was after me.
I said nothing. I will keep you safe. Let us go.
Where are we?
We are now under the Pizzaplex. These utility tunnels connect all the attractions.
We can go anywhere in the building?
Correct. Fazerblast, Monty Golf, Roxy Raceway. They are all accessible to staff, with high enough clearance, of course. Guests are never allowed down here, but yours is a special situation.
Okay, tama. Reaksyon kasi sinyak takakakpa na rin nasa sinarang Lord. Anong madawa na tayo sa piso kasi maso Love Berry Love Berry Love Berry Ano Pacalo takpos
I am terribly sorry. The recharge cycle had not yet completed when I found you. You must continue without me. I will guide you on your fast watch in case you get into any trouble.
I don't know if I can do this alone.
Happy. 나 지금 가라가 약속 고고고 또 싱어 보시리 하는 시잖아. 띠리띠띠띠띠띠띠.
It's Chica. Maybe I could distract her with something.
나갔다나 아마 똑똑강함이
This area is off limits.
siya na maraming taktuin na run mga ising-isan damat taktuin na kamakakta ko yun 되게 삭발. 원이 약박. 이윽.
Well done, Gregory. You found a security office. You should be quite safe here. The doors were designed to keep our highly trained security staff safe in the event of an emergency. As long as the doors stay closed, which they will, as long as there is ample power.
Freddy! The power's only at 15% and they're pounding on the door! How am I gonna get out of here?
Do not panic. You should see an interface on the security desk. Hold on while I make it accessible to you. There. You can now activate security protocols. Your fast-watch is now connected to the security camera system. Check those boxes on your mini-map are nearby security cameras. When movement is detected by the camera's motion sensors, you should see red alert icons. Switch between the cameras to find a safe path out of the office and to the main lobby.
밀라비. 내려옵니다. 가자. 그 떡국 비싼 떡국 비싼 가락 떠요. 기가 진짜 하다만
Freddy Fazbear's Mega Pizzaplex is now closed. Initiating nighttime protocols.
No! Wait, I'm still here! Now what am I supposed to do?
How unfortunate, Gregory. You missed your chance. But there is still hope. You should be able to escape when the security doors reopen at 6 a.m. Until then, keep moving and try not to draw attention to yourself. If there is another way out, I will help you find it. I promise.
오케이. 가만기다려 감막닥.
Well done, Superstar. You have accessed the lobby. Unfortunately, that complimentary entry ticket does not allow you to enter the pizzeria. You can find an upgrade machine in customer service.
Who has the candy? Give to me. Wala ko sure take it up. Dawa kaya nakakakta kaya kasyo. Asa daw yung nakak. Chica!
Employees only.
Alright, yeah.
This ticket doesn't even work. It says, good for entrance to the lobby shops. Upgrade options available at customer service. Also good for 1 free prize from Glamrock Gifts while supplies last.
I wonder what the free prize is.
Apitan na narungira. Sangusakpo kabipok. Inyak sawok. Saan chingo sa sakin nila, so. Ako shokorak na narakta ko yung amidamat ko siya si Mangami. Chingo sa reaksyon.
Freddy, I found the free gift! It's a crappy Mr. Hippo fridge magnet? Lame.
I am sorry, Gregory. I am truly sorry.
Sorry. Chica pika na yummy. I am. Run the Rosie. Run the Rosie. Da 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 da. Ding. Do. Hello. Hello. Okay, chica. Run the Rosie first. Visioning aside, kanete kijan shirshir takayakasyo. Ay. Check. Ano ka pamitaw na ako pasuntok na maknam.
It ate my pass!
Try that terrible magnet you found.
Yes! The magnet scrambled the machine! Oh man, now it's some kind of daycare pass?
That is great news. I will meet you in the daycare. The entrance is on the second floor balcony.
Daycare. Okay. Chica 적성 몇 배? qanorilluti akimorpiu spilliileqquasut. Who was the candy? What are you doing?
Friendly security staff can help.
Akimoqsinnaangikkaruarpat. Attaakimoqsinnaangorpat.
Staff only.
Stand only. They can continue, please. Just a moment. Check out here.
This area is off limits.
Mimic. What? Chica, bye bye. And nothing here. I like here. Let's see. Baby. Sabi siulleq. Qoyana sinnaasnaqpi sinnaqlarsimassistam simaat. Bye bye.